Hi everyone! Today we're exploring a new Medicare model focused on surgical care, the Transforming Episode Accountability Model, or TEAM. This is CMS's latest bundled payment pilot, launching in January 2026. Keep listening to learn more about the TEAM model, its significance, and how to get your organization ready. Imagine a Medicare patient who needs a knee replacement. In our usual fee-for-service system, each service like surgery, imaging, or rehab is billed separately. This can lead to fragmented care, miscommunication, and higher costs. CMS announced this 5-year mandatory pilot for 741 hospitals across 188 metropolitan areas to help overcome these issues. For certain surgeries like knee replacements, hip fractures, spinal fusions, bypass grafts, and bowel surgeries, hospitals get one target price for the whole episode, which includes the hospital stay plus 30 days of recovery. Simply put, it's a bundled payment covering everything from admission to the first month at home. Why is this new bundled payment model important? It makes hospitals focus on cost and quality. Hospitals continue to bill daily with fee-for-service, but at year-end, CMS reviews claims for that episode and applies rewards or penalties. If costs are below the target and quality standards are met, the hospital gets a share of the savings. If costs exceed the target, they repay Medicare, making everyone more involved in the surgical process. You might be thinking, haven't bundled payments been tried before? They have. CMS has been testing them for over 10 years. Initially, in 2013, they rolled out bundled payments for care improvement with 4 voluntary models. By 2016, they launched comprehensive care for joint replacement for hip and knee surgeries. Most recently, in 2018, BPCI Advance was introduced, covering various conditions with 90-day bundles. These trials provided valuable insights. Many hospitals reduced Medicare spending by 3 to 6% per episode without increasing readmission or mortality rates. But here's the twist. Medicare's savings weren't as large as expected because CMS shared those savings back to hospitals in significant bonuses. Hospitals enhanced care coordination, but Medicare didn't always gain financially. What did we learn? Setting target prices correctly is crucial. Too high means Medicare overpays, too low and hospitals opt out. It's important to focus on clear and predictable surgical episodes. This is where the new plays a role. It's required in certain areas, offers different risk levels, and provides a smooth transition for hospitals into full financial risk. For example, the moment a patient is admitted for, say, a hip replacement, the episode kicks off. It includes the hospital stay or outpatient procedure plus 30 days post-discharge, which could cover things like surgeon fees, anesthesia, imaging, PT, home health, and medical equipment. CMS sets a target price based on past costs, regional data, case mix, and quality. At year-end, CMS checks actual Medicare Part A and B payments against the target. If costs are at or below the target and quality standards are met, the hospital shares the savings. If costs exceed, the hospital pays back the extra. CMS designed 3 tracks. Track 1 has only upside with no downside risk for the first year or up to 3 years for certain hospitals. Track 2 involves 2-sided risk with moderate gain and loss potential. Track 3 offers higher 2-sided risk and reward for hospitals ready to take bigger steps. And remember, it's not just about the dollars. CMS calculates a composite quality score for every hospital, factoring in things like 30-day readmission rates, patient safety events, and patient-reported outcomes. If your quality slips, your bonus can shrink, or worse, you might owe money back. TEAMS is more than just a payment model. It's a clinical transformation mandate. Hospitals are required to link every surgical patient to a primary care provider for follow-up, build perioperative care pathways, prioritize pre-surgical optimization, and standardize discharge planning. In short, you're not just managing surgery, you're redesigning the entire patient journey from the operating room to recovery at home. Here are 4 steps for hospitals in the new model. First, confirm participation and build your team. Check if your hospital is listed on the CMS webpage. Assemble your team of clinical and operational leaders. Review costs, map the patient journey, and choose the best risk track for your organization. Step 2, strengthen your data and analytics. Enhance data tools to integrate EHR and claims. Track metrics like readmissions and costs. Analyze by diagnosis, location, and provider to find opportunities. Next, redesign care and engage clinicians. Focus on care, standardize protocols, and partner with skilled nursing or home health facilities while ensuring proper follow-ups. Provider buy-in is critical. Surgeons need to understand that their decisions now directly affect hospital performance and reimbursement. Step 4. Build culture and avoid common pitfalls. Shift the culture with regular communication, training, and team building. Quality is key. CMS monitors outcomes, so make it a core part of your operations to find success in the new model. Thanks for tuning in to Wealthcare Inc. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.